Stop applying your concealer directly from the tube. This is a sure way to get your concealer to crease and look cakey in just a couple of hours. Instead, I want you to grab a flat concealer brush that looks like this. This is a Crown C224 and it's only like $3. You're going to take the concealer directly off of the doe foot of your product. Then you're gonna take your brush and go straight to where you have the darkness and tap it on in. Then from there, you're gonna take a tissue and wipe off that excess. You only need a little bit of product. Remember, less is more. You can always go in and add a little bit more product, but if you have too much, you're gonna be really upset in a couple of hours because it's gonna crease everywhere on you. And if you've got really dry under eyes, I have another video where I show you a great hack of mixing your eye cream and concealer together, and I'm gonna put that in the description below so you can go watch it. And after you press it, you can grab the concealer and just spread it to under the eye and on top of the eye if you wanna use your concealer as an eyeshadow base, which I recommend. As you can see, that tiny bit of concealer covered everything I needed underneath my eyes. And if you're wondering what I used, it's the Tarte Ultra Creamy Shape Tape, which is my absolute favorite if you've got dry under eyes but want a lot of coverage. Do you want more makeup tips and tricks? Well, you know who to follow.